Hello everyone, I'm Elmer Ko, an active member of MMM Philippines and one of the manager. So today is my 8th withdrawal. So I use 5,000 as a principal. For Mabro Mining, I got 500 pesos as the bonus of 10% bonus of fee. So today I withdraw 5,500. Mr. Reginald Topatong sent me the payment. So BTC was already sent to my blockchain and I already encashed it to my bank account. So using CoinsPH, I got an extra BTC, so I added it. So I got 5,150. So here's DragonPay, which is one of the method used by CoinsPH. Thanks participants of the MMM. Thanks Mr. Sergi Mabrodi. So MMM was really a great help for us. Together we change the world.